As you can see here, I've already created my Google Classroom. I have 2 of them. I teach 4th grade, and this one is mine, and this is my co-teacher. We share assignments, and so if I post something on mine, I'll post it on hers as well. Some people that teach middle or high school will teach the same subject but many different classes, and so you can create a class, and let's say you just want to name it period 1 reading. You don't have to fill all this in, but you can if it would help your students to find your class. Then you'll click create. Here you can see that period 1 reading is right here. I don't have any students in there yet, but that's how you would create a class. You could create more classes by doing the same thing.